Oh, we are at it again, folks. Just about to lay down some clear on this front fender and see how it's gonna look once we get a couple of light coats, at least a medium coat. We'll go from there. Maybe we'll end up with 2 or 3 coats of it by the time we're all finished, the heavier coats anyway, and then we can wet sand and see what we've wound up with, and cross our fingers that it looks better than the primer side of things. We got to get this truck back on the road though. We'll get some plans with it this year. Old rotor. You take off the tube. Today. Today we deal with the Yukon. This was clean a couple hours ago. So my wife called me and said it started making noise. It was pulling, didn't feel right, so she pulled over and stopped, and I asked her to touch the wheels, see if one's hotter than the other. And the front rim, smoking hot. Look at the soot. So the caliper seized up. I bought some parts. New rotors, new calipers, pads are in here too. Brake clean, some brake fluid. Now we're gonna tear into the Yukon for the first time ever on camera and change out some front brakes because she needs the truck again tomorrow. So it's time to get to work. Start by lifting it up, getting some jack stands set under it.